Naturally Mathematical
with
Angie, Sally,
Monique
and Alana.
A special diet for the reindeers.
The first question of Naturally Mathematical was to find the amount of tundras each reindeer got fed from a bag of 100 tundras. There were 7 reindeers, each from Santa's sleigh, and each had a certain amount of tundras they got fed. Here's what the reindeers got.
Blitzen needed a square amount of tundras, Vixen a cube of tundras, but only half as much as Blitzen. Every reindeer had to get less than Donna, who had 3 times as much as Dancer. Feed Prancer the prime number of tundras, that is 1 less than Dasher's ration. Feed Comet 1 less tundras than Cupid, but more than Prancer. Here's how we worked it out.
To work out Blitzen and Vixen's share, we wrote down square numbers and cube numbers until we found out 2 that worked.
Then we wrote down all the prime numbers and found that 7 tundras had fit most for Prancer. Then we simply added 1 tundra to that amount and found that Dasher's ration would be 8.
To find out Comet and Cupid's ration, we first tried 9 and 10. We then added all the numbers together, it equaled 58. For us to work out Donna's and Dancer's ration, we realized we needed to have a number divisible by 10, so we made Comet's ration 10 and Cupid's 11.
If we then added all our current numbers, it equaled 60 out of our stack of 100. We had 40 left to give to Dancer and Donna, and because Donna had to have 3 times as much as Dancer, we divided 40 by 4, which gives us 10 for Dancer and 30 for Donna, which perfectly worked.
So,
Blitzer got 16 tundras, Vixen got 8, Donna got 30, Prancer got 7, Dasher got 8, Comet got 10, Cupid got 11, and Dancer got 10.
Found in a cracker.
For this question, we had a template and puzzle piece and had to find as many ways to fill the template as we could. The template was in shape of a Christmas tree filled with hexagons.
To work out this question, we each had our own template of the Christmas tree and a picture of the piece. We all tried to position the shape along the tree using a trial and error method. To make sure we knew which shape was which, we colored the shapes in different colors. When we added all our trees together, we found 8 of them, double checking if we had any doubles.
A triangle of light. This question wanted us to find different ways to place bulbs labeled 1 to 9 on a triangle made out of 9 smaller triangles. So the numbers along each of the sides had to add up to the same number every time.
we found there were 2 ways to do this. First, we add up the 5 triangles on each side, which leaves none in the middle. Also, we could add up the 3 triangles on each side, which left 3 remaining in the middle. We found there were much more answers for this one.
How we worked it out. To work out the triangles, first we predicted a number, which we later figured out would be between 9 and 21, and then subtracted 3 or 5 random numbers, depending on if we were doing the 3 by 3 or the 5 by 5, until we reached a 0. We knew that those 3 numbers added up to the chosen number. Then we did the same to the other 2 sides until it worked. If we were working on the 3 by 3 triangles, we then put the remaining numbers in the middle.
Altogether we found 13 different 3 by 3 triangles and 3 5 by 5 triangles.
Here are some of our 3 by 3 triangles.
We use the STAR method to work out our answers. Here's our poster. Thank you and Merry Christmas!